In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create categories in Discord. Categories help you organize channels so your server stays clean and easy to navigate. Think of them as folders that group related text and voice channels together, like General, Community, or Events. This makes it simpler for members to find what they need and keeps conversations focused. Start by opening Discord and heading into the server where you want the new category. You'll need the right permissions to create categories, typically the Manage Channels permission. If you don't see the option later on, you may need to ask a server admin or owner to grant you access or create the category for you. Look to the top of your channel list and click the server name. This is the name that appears above all the channels in the left sidebar. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu with server options. If you're new to Discord, this menu is where you manage a lot of your server's structure, so it's a handy place to remember. From the drop-down, select Create Category. It's different from Create Channel, so make sure you pick the one that says Category. Categories are containers for channels. They don't hold messages themselves, but they do determine how channels are grouped, collapsed, and displayed to members. Next, enter a name for your category. Choose something short, clear, and descriptive, like General, Voice Channels, or Events. You can always rename it later, so don't worry if you change your mind. Keep in mind that concise names look cleaner in the sidebar and help members immediately understand what belongs there. Avoid excessive symbols or long phrases that might clutter the list. When you're happy with the name, click Create Category to confirm. Your new category will appear in the channel list. By default, it will show up near the top or where Discord decides it fits best, but you can rearrange categories and channels later to match your preferred structure. After creation, you can drag existing channels into the category to keep related conversations together, or create new channels within the category whenever you're ready. If you want certain channels under this category to be visible to specific roles only, you can adjust permissions from the category settings later on to save time and ensure consistency across its channels. That's all there is to it. Open your server, use the server name menu, choose Create Category, give it a clear name, and confirm. With just a few clicks, your server becomes more organized and easier for everyone to navigate.